Well, I just woke up about a half hour ago, made it to the parts store, needed to get some map gas, found propane. Got to loosen up a nut on a steel brake line. Where we're at right now, I ended up going ahead and replacing the hold down springs and the front shoes, wheel cylinders in all four corners, master cylinder, and it's got all new brake lines. The master cylinder isn't installed. There's no fluid in the van yet. Master cylinder was actually pretty easy to put in. It's all ready to go. So that's the little booger right there. He is locked, that little nut is locked onto the steel line. They do, after a while, tend to rust. I'm trying not to replace the line at this point. I may do a conversion later on, so I don't want to put too much into it. I just want to make sure I got good working brakes for the moment. So, one of the tips with anything that's all rusted and stuck is propane or MAP gas. I got propane, put some heat on there, turn it glowing red. I'm going to get some tools in a moment, but I wanted to shoot this. Here's the other side. Drums are in good shape. Got the new shoes, new wheel cylinders, new hold down springs. The rest of the springs were alright. New wheel bearings and such. We're going to go together. I'm going to replace that hose, adjust out the brakes in all four corners, start flushing out the entire system because there's no fluid in there, see if we got brakes. Alright, I'm back so quick. I heated up glowing red. This is locked on there. She spins nice and free now. I'm going to put the brake line on and we're going to move on. She was not budging before, so I did put a little bit of penetrating oil on there the other day, let it soak in, but that heat freed it right up. Let it cool down, go back together, give you an update.